my name is Claudio de Santiago. I'm from Los Angeles, California. So yeah, I basically had adult acquired flat foot or like collapsed arch on both feet, but mostly on my left one. And basically it was causing a lot of problems. I would get tired very easily. I was having some posterior tibial tendon dysfunction as well. So it was just really affecting my quality of life. I love hiking. I couldn't really hike that much anymore. So I really figured, I might as well do something now while I'm still relatively young. So I was really in the hypercure procedure, and I tried to go through my insurance and kind of go through that process here. And, living in LA, you think that, I would have a lot of options of different doctors. But really, I couldn't find any doctor that I really felt confident. The doctors that they referred me to didn't really know the procedure. And so I searched online for doctors that specialize in this particular procedure, and came across Dr. Foster and read the reviews, read information about him. And I decided to travel all the way to Missouri. I tried initially to go for my insurance, had no luck, so I decided, I'll just do it on my own. I did find one doctor here that would perform the procedure, but they wanted to do it like in the hospital under general anesthesia. So I really, didn't feel like paying for the entire, surgery center when it's just a very minimally invasive procedure. I'm really glad I went to Missouri. Even with my travel expenses, it still was way, way cheaper than I would have paid if I had done it here. So I was very nervous, and I wouldn't say that it was fun, definitely, but I would say it's just like going to the dentist, pretty much. Really, the most pain I felt was when he injected the anesthetic. Then after that, really, I felt some pressure, but really no pain. It was super quick. I was in and out in probably like an hour. The procedure itself took only about 20 minutes. I was awake the whole time. The assistant did a really good job at like talking to me, keeping me distracted, so I wouldn't focus on what was going on. It was over before I knew it. Recovery has been good, I think. From what I had read before, I think I'm recovering just as expected. And actually, I would say my right one was way easier than my left one. I think my left one was a bit worse. So I think the tendons and the muscles had a lot more adjusting to do. For my right one, it was just been great. Actually, I didn't experience any pain. Pretty much I was expecting the pain to kick in, a couple of days after, and I never really experienced any pain. And now I'm pretty much walking normally. I'm still not able to like go hiking, and I'm being careful, of course. It's been great. I definitely feel more steady on my feet, and I think I'm recovering really well. I'm really looking forward to being more active. I definitely would recommend the procedure. I would say if you feel like you need the procedure, get it done as soon as possible, because I think the longer you wait, the more difficult it will be. You don't want to damage your tendons or your muscles. I definitely would recommend Dr. Foster. My experience with him, his staff, everyone was super friendly and professional. They answered all my questions. Even when I called, they knew that I was 1,600 miles away, and they were still very helpful. It couldn't have been any better. I'm extremely happy.